Today, I'll show you how to delete a Snapchat account. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Snapchat first deactivates your account before it fully deletes it. Snapchat's official support page says your account stays deactivated for 30 days, and if you don't log back in during that period, it is then permanently deleted. Snapchat also notes a different timeline for India. The account is deactivated for 30 days, then permanently deleted after 180 more days. The easiest way to do this is through Snapchat's Accounts portal. Open a browser and log in to the Snapchat Accounts portal. Then tap Delete My Account, enter your password, and tap Continue. Snapchat says those are the main official steps on web, Android, and iOS. If you're using the Snapchat app on iPhone or Android, you can also begin from inside the app. Open Snapchat, go to your profile, tap the Settings gear, scroll down to Account Actions, and tap Delete Account. Snapchat says this then takes you to the Accounts portal, where you'll log in, enter your password, and confirm the deletion request. Now here's the part many people miss. Once you confirm deletion, your account is not gone instantly. Snapchat says it becomes deactivated first. During those 30 days, your friends won't be able to contact you or interact with your account, but you can still reactivate it by logging back in with your username and password before the 30 days end. Snapchat also says you have a limited chance to download your data. According to its support page, after you deactivate or delete your account, you have 30 days to download your data, and if you do not log in or download it within that time, your data will be permanently deleted after 60 days. Snapchat also notes that some information may still be retained for legal, security, and business reasons, such as purchase records or acceptance of its terms. If you have trouble getting into the Accounts portal because you forgot your password, Snapchat says you should reset the password first and then continue with the deletion process. So, in simple terms, open the Snapchat Accounts portal, tap Delete My Account, enter your password, and confirm. Your account will be deactivated first, and if you don't log in again within 30 days, Snapchat will permanently delete it. And that's how to delete a Snapchat account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.